Hello guys, welcome back to this
In this
channel.
today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your camera angle and Dress to Impress for PC or desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. If we want to change our camera angle, we need to go to the Roblox setting. You can click this icon and then you're going to go to the settings here and you're going to go to the shift lock switch. Okay, make sure you turn it on. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the game and you can click your shift button like this and it will appear. This icon will appear and then you can move your touchpad or your mouse like this, so you will be able to change the camera angle. If you want to turn it up, you can press your shift button again and the icon will disappear. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change camera angle and Dress to Impress for desktop or PC. I hope this video will be useful for you guys.